What's up, guys? My name is Zach. I'm reviewing the Viking Momentum Tail Bag for, I'm assuming most of y'all are motorcycle riders watching this. Maybe not, maybe it's for a gift or whatever, but me and my buddies are gonna be reviewing this today. It's really awesome, it really is. It's got a, what is it?
It's got a leather outer shell.
Yeah, leather outer shell with the mesh compartments. All kind of compartments, dude. I mean, you got all kinds of stuff. You got that actually
expands to be a larger size, a larger capacity.
Yeah. I mean, y'all know how annoying it is, my fellow bike riders out there. Y'all know how annoying it is to always carry a backpack and stuff like that. But it's got an inner compartment here. It's got a water-resistant cover. It comes with these straps.
Comes with four straps.
We're gonna show y'all here in a minute on how to install it. And it's made really nice. It really is, because I would say it's waterproof. You think it is?
I would say it's water resistant. Honestly, we haven't got it in the rain yet.
The whole thing. I mean, but it's really nice.
Feature I really like right here is these have a hook, so you can actually put a lock on it and lock your luggage and stuff forward. So you don't have to worry about somebody kind of looking in your bag, messing around. And another nice feature right here, it's actually got a carrying handle. So when
you can tell it's super well made.
Yeah, it's got a good construction.
It is well made and durable for
We're going to show you how to put it on this Kawasaki ZX6R. It'll work for any sport bike. The installation process is pretty straightforward. It wants you to run a strap from here down to your passenger pegs, and then loop it through this little hole. I believe most bikes have this kind of luggage storage on the rear. The rear is a little different for this. You can run it underneath. I believe this is what they want you to do. Just run one strap or two straps here and tighten it down. But I believe later on, after kind of riding with it, I'm gonna actually attach it underneath the seat to the mounting points. I believe that would be a little better. Overall, this is a really good bag for anybody looking to travel or ride longer distances, because it's very generous on volume. And the construction is really good. And aesthetically, it's not too bad. I know some tail bags don't really fit the form and size of the bike, and I don't really like them. But this one, looking at it, it really doesn't bother me. I definitely recommend checking out Vikingbags for the tail bags and other ones.